Hi everyone, it's Artis from Main Carpentering Construction Limited. In today's video I'm going to review a grinder, Makita grinder. This is brushless grinder. So I bought this just recently. So this is what it comes in. I got body only. So this is the model number of this particular one. So you got a battery indicator, you got a variable speed, and it comes with is mostly your books, etc. So this is your grinder itself. Obviously it doesn't come with this blade, it comes with a grinding blade, not rather than cutting blade, it's thicker Makita blade. So it comes with a big shroud with spanner and handle. So all in all, what I like about it, first thing is when you put your battery in, it does it can stand upright. Not every model does that. For instance, Milwaukee can't. My friend got Milwaukee and it wouldn't stand upright, which is very annoying. Secondly, what I like about it, which is quite nice to hold, it does feel a bit heavier I think than previous one I had, which was just a normal non-brushless grinder. So if and when my tools break, I do switch to brushless. Back when I bought my previous grinder, I will put a grinder model number on the screen because I can't remember off the top of my head, but that grinder was with brushes, and unfortunately doing this job it didn't survive, so it burnt out essentially. I must say brushed tools never really work as long as brushless. So I've got brushless drills now, combi and impact driver. Comment below if you want me to review them, because I have had them for some time now. But anyway, we're talking about grinders today. So the main benefit is that you got variable speed compared to the previous one I had, which is quite new. And obviously you got indicator for battery, shows you how much battery you got left. It has this net, I guess that is to protect from motor getting clogged up. Again, previous model didn't have that, it just had the actual like slats, plastic slats. In fact, what I'll do, I'll get the previous model and show you like for like, so it's easier. So this is my previous model. Model number was DGA452 and this is DGA463Z. So both are 18 volt tools. So as you can see, the biggest difference here, you had like grooves in the body, where here you got on this newer one you got like a mesh. So I guess they know that rubbish can get in there and that can cause a burning out. So I guess that's what happened with this. So basically what happened, it wouldn't go full speed, so it was like that flat battery, and also the smell of the motor. So hence why I replaced it. I use a fair bit. So this is on off button, which is very similar to what I had before. So it is slightly longer, as you can see. That may be for some slight issue, so it's a good probably 60mm longer. But apart from that, this did have the shroud as well, I just taken off. So yeah, they're quite similar. Mostly you can see the slightly differences there, slightly beefier this part, and the bottom part slightly beefier. But yeah, so from my experience, brushless lasts a lot longer. I haven't had my brushless tools burn out yet, and I had them, I think some of them 3 years, so it's, you know, win-win I would say. So let's just turn it on so you can see. So this is max speed. As you can see, we can speed of the motor. Yeah. And also it has a brake, which the previous grinder didn't have, so which means it will slow down straight away, where that would just keep spinning until it stops, so it will take longer to slow down than the new one. So yeah, so basically that's what I wanted to share. The main differences, as I said, is it's brushless, so your maintenance should be little to none, and you got now indicator of your battery and your variable speed rotor here. It is slightly longer, the body. In terms of weight, probably the same weight, to be fair. But yeah, I'm happy with the new purchase. Not that I had the choice not to buy one, but I mean, as I said, when I bought this originally, there was no brushless versions available, so it has lasted me a fair bit, so I can't complain really. But taking from experience, brushless is better. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I catch up with you in our next videos.